um I want to talk about something that is very very important, and that will be the concept of saving. So I've been on YouTube for a while, and hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Esther, and this is Esther's Chronicles TV. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. Today I'm excited. I'm very very excited for so many reasons. I'm grateful for life, I'm thankful for life, and I'm thankful for all my returning subscribers that keep coming back to watch me. Thank you so much. And if you're just seeing my face for the first time, please kindly join this family. So there's a bit of renovation going on in my house, and I saw something and I said, okay, let me just talk about this. Last year 2022, I saw so many content creators coming out with their piggy bank and telling us how they were able to save money. As a child, I used to have a piggy bank, but as I grow older, I just felt there was no need for it since there was bank. But being on YouTube and seeing so many content creators just talking about saving with piggy bank, and I really wanted to introduce my children to also the concept of saving with the piggy bank, which my parents did to me. I thought to also get one for myself. So I got this. I thought I ordered, no, this was a gift, because I ordered for my kids and they came in smaller version like this instead of a very big one. So during renovation, I came across it. Meanwhile, I was supposed to open this piggy bank in December. Yes, I was supposed to open it in December, but I was not in town. I was in the UK, so I didn't open it. When I came back in January, I saw it. I just bluffed. But as soon as we were doing this renovation, I packed it out and I said, okay, it's still February. Let me just open my piggy bank. So I thought to open. Meanwhile, this piggy bank, I was just carelessly dropping money. And why did I decide to even do it as a concept? Because this is February, and February is dedicated to the Black History Month. Among the black culture, savings is not a big deal. Like, people don't save. Like, you see people, they want to do something and they don't save, and there are some people that really save. So I thought to just use this opportunity to just throw my idea or my own notion, or to just remind someone that just have the culture of saving, especially in abroad. People don't save. They give you excuse of bills. I don't pay bills. People pay bills a lot, but they don't save. But like, it's not good. Out of the little you are earning, make sure you are saving. Even if you are on social welfare, that's the government is taking responsibility of you, still make sure you save something. So it's a Black History Month. Mega shout out to all my black sisters and my black brothers. One love, and we say no to any form of racism. Yeah. So I'm going to just open this piggy bank. Let's see. Mind you, I was not so consistent, but there were days I just put some chunk money, and there were days I just had some, maybe like 200 in my bag, and I make a decision to put 100 francs, like that. So let's see what I have in my piggy bank. So as soon as I empty this piggy bank now, I'll be able to start for the year. And this is February. It's the same thing last year. I didn't even start in January. Yes, I did start. I started late. So when I empty it, I'll be able to start again. And because there's also a need to be met. I need money to do something. So I'm going to be taking out of, I need like 1,000. I hope I have more than 1,000 in this piggy bank. So come, let's see what I got in. So this is the piggy bank. It's a very small one. I think I'll get a bigger one, but it's okay. And the beauty of this is that you can open it here. You don't have to damage it. So it takes discipline to also have piggy bank. Me, I can have money in my hand. If I say I don't want to spend the money, I will not spend it. I'm a treasurer in church, and I'm also in choir. So if they have anything to do with money, it's me they always call. So let's see what I have here. This was how I was folding it because of space. Oops, look here, oh, Swiss government, don't come and arrest me. So are you seeing it? We'll count it together. What we were able, like, you know, it was like this. It was closed, and it has to come in through here. So there was no way. I have to always fold the money before it can enter. I have 100. I have 200. Please, oh, gently, oh, show Naira some love. Having said that, my people, do you see what is happening in Nigeria? In Nigeria, they change our money. They change our money, oh. They change our money. And the worst thing is that they change the money, but money is not available. So there's so many catastrophe going on. Can you see it? I love this because I can reuse it again. This is it. I'm looking for where to buy a bigger one, but before then I'm going to close it. It's a piggy bank. In Nigeria we call it kolo. So in Swiss this is 200. This is 200. Let me arrange how many 200 I have. I started in January. Not January. I think I started this time last year, around February, because a lot of content creators were opening their piggy bank, and I was really motivated. I was motivated, and I said, okay. So from time to time, in the course of the month, when I have some, not even that the money, I don't need them, but I was intentionally also saving. I also saw a content creator last year. I don't forgotten her name. I think Mommy Elliot. She said, this is 1,000. Yeah, I remember when I kept this money here. I remember the day I put this money here. This 1,000, I just got some cash, and I said out of that cash, I will have to save. I actually saved it somewhere else before transferring it. I was keeping the money. I wasn't sure if I would use the money. At some point, I was now sure that I don't want to use this money for what I want to use it for. So I put it in the piggy bank. That's why you have it. You will normally not see this everywhere in Switzerland. But I love to always have it. If I have, I love to just have it like this so that I don't spend it. So Mommy Elliot also, they were doing something like this. I think there were 10 of them. Their target was to make 10,000 euro in the month, in the year. So I don't know if they were able to do it, but this is my one, and this is what I was able to get. So let's count it together. This is 1,000, 1,000. This is 200. 1, 2, 1, 4. 1, 6, 1, 8, 2,000, 2002, 2004, 2006. This is 100, 27, 28, 29, 3,000. Gedegbe. Wow, it's 3,000. Gedegbe. When I say gedegbe, 3,000 on the dot. So this was what I was able to save for the year 2022, and I think I love this exercise, and I'm going to do it. My kids also, they have their own, but they were not consistent at all, so I'm going to encourage them to be more consistent with it this year. Even if it's 1 franc, 2 francs, 10 francs, careless money, put it there. Some monies are not careless, intentional money. If you are an handy person, maybe you do side hustle, you can just decide, okay, if I make side hustle of 100, I'm going to save 50, because sometimes there's a temptation of just spending everything. No, now I need 1,000 naira pressing need, and this money is coming through, and this other 2,000, we'll see what we'll do with it. Yes, so thank you everyone for watching. Were you able to save last year? How much were you able to save? All of us that were in Nibo's comment section. Yes, I remember Nibo, what's this name? Didi, also Chioma Noah, and many other people. They were the one that motivated me to go and get a piggy bank. Were you able to save? So mega shout out to Nibo. She's no longer very active on YouTube, but if you are looking for Nibo's World, go and look for her on TikTok. Didi, Alpha, how was your saving? Chioma Noah, mega shout out to all of you. You guys motivated me, and this is what I say on YouTube space. You never know what you are motivating people to do. Thank you so much. Please like this video if you've not liked it. I'll see you all in my next video. My name is Esther. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. This is a happy place and a joyful zone. I love you all. Bye bye.